Welcome to our online classes. Today, we will learn photosynthesis process. What is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is the process by which plants use sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to create oxygen and energy in the form of sugar. Let's understand the process. The plant draws up water, H2O, through its roots. The leaves take in carbon dioxide, CO2, from the air. The leaves trap energy from sunlight. The plant uses the energy of sunlight to turn water, H2O, and carbon dioxide, CO2, into sugars, glucose, C6H12O6, and oxygen, O2. The plant releases oxygen, O2, into the air. The plant uses sugars for growth. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, do like, comment, and subscribe. Do share with young curious minds to inspire them. Thank you.